So there's a Turtle Talk with Crush, huh? Yeah, we should probably go there. Okay, let's go inside. Okay, good. Hey, Turtle Talk.
Oh, hello, ma'am.
Hey, you talk like, my bitch today.
I know. What are you gonna do?
Oh gosh. Actually, Turtle Talk. Actually, Crush.
What?
I just wanted to say, how you been lately all this time? Haven't seen you like last year for whole months now.
I've been never seen you for whole months, too.
I see. So, what do you think about, taking your Californian talk for a while?
I only talked to the governor, but they wouldn't release me.
Oh, they wouldn't release you in 2020, right?
They wouldn't open until April 30th, so I'm late again.
So you're late, right, Crush?
Yeah, I do.
Actually, what are you gonna do while you're in California?
I'm just gonna have to, swim all around the kids and see how they're doing for a while.
Okay,
Well, you have a good day.
you too. So it was really good. Yeah. Okay, let's just, turn off. Okay, good.